to discuss in detail about, as to what stage we are, what we have been doing in this project, what are the kind of findings we have come out with. But before that, let me just touch upon certain aspects of what are the municipal sector scenario in terms of energy conservation and energy efficiency. I'm sure you must have discussed some of these aspects yesterday and today in the morning also. And then ASCO perspective, but since my co-panelist from Real Energy is here, and I discussed with him and he said that we were touching upon the financing aspect, the barriers related to ASCOs, what is the way forward, so I will not take much of the time on that aspect as well. But then I will move to Andhra Pradesh project on the street side. Just to give you a brief background as to what PwC is doing in this area. PricewaterhouseCoopers, we are the world's largest professional service organization having more than 1,40,000 staff, working in more than 150 countries as of now. In India, the staff strength, the professional staff, is more than 4,000 now. We have a dedicated team now who is working on energy efficiency, and there are 12 business areas in which you will find energy efficiency and renewable energy, which are interlinked, where we provide our services to various sectors of economy, whether it is industrial, commercial, domestic, residential, or even the agriculture sector part. These are the services where we deal with Bureau of Energy Efficiency, who is the number one policy maker as far as the central part of concerned, central government. And then there are state level agencies. Energy audit, which is a service offered to corporate sector, but then the sector is opening up even for the financing, modeling and analysis of energy efficiency ventures, or the investment opportunities we are finding out about various areas. Some of the major energy efficiency projects which we have carried out in the last 1 year or so are, we have helped Bureau of Energy Efficiency in reviewing the Energy Conservation Act. As you are aware, this act was passed in the year 2001, and then there were certain problems in implementing of this act. So in the last year we have reviewed the Energy Conservation Act, and certain modifications have been suggested, which have been agreed to by Government of India. We are working as a retainer consultant to Bureau for Agriculture DSM. This project has started working in the state of Maharashtra to start with. We are replacing agriculture pump sets free of cost, but through ASCO. It's not that this is a subsidy. It's a win-win situation for ASCO, for the farmer and the utility. The investment on replacement of these pumps are paid back by the savings which accrue to this project. This is the model which we are trying to replicate in other sectors of the economy. Street lighting, or even the municipal demand side management part of it, or the buildings which are going to start pretty soon. You will find that in the next 1 month, 3 buildings in Delhi will get energy audited, and besides energy efficiency, solar PV will be connected to these buildings, and where this will be connected to the grid. It will be net metering concept, where the surplus energy which is generated from the solar PV can be fed to the grid. That project probably is going to start from next month. We are going to help Bureau of Energy Efficiency in that part. So some of the other projects, where we have, as I mentioned, for the last 1 year, are on creation of a separate company for Bureau of Energy Efficiency for implementation of energy efficiency projects in the country. It's called Energy Efficiency Services Limited. It will take up those projects which are not viable, where ASCOs probably would not be interested, but the government would showcase that this is feasible technically, will implement. Project manager Mr. Anjal is here, and implementation street lighting. Now, because they are quite widespread throughout the state, as you can see, what we did, we formed 10 groups, and the groups were formed so that we have at least a minimum scale on which ASCOs can bid. A. B. There are smaller municipalities where the payback typically for an ASCO to invest will be high.
Municipalities ki fund undadandi project cheyadaniki, but you have intention. You want to save energy, maybe you want to reduce the cost. But ee technologies pettadaniki mee daggara saraina అవకాశాలు ఉండకపోవచ్చు, రిసోర్సెస్ ఉండకపోవచ్చు. అందుకని మీరు ఎస్కో దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళాల్సిన అవసరం వస్తుంది సార్. ఈ లాస్ట్ 2 days లో మనం డిస్కస్ చేసింది ఏమంటే ఎస్కో కంపెనీ వాళ్ళ సొంత రిస్క్ తీసుకుని ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ పెట్టి ఎక్విప్మెంట్ మీ దగ్గర పెట్టి టెక్నాలజీస్ ఇచ్చి మీకు ఎనర్జీ సేవ్ చేస్తుంటారు సార్. దట్ ఈస్ ది మెయిన్ క్రక్స్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ డిస్కషన్ వాట్ వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఫర్ ది లాస్ట్ 2 days. బట్ ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇందాక శ్రీనివాస్ గారు చెప్పారు మీకు, ఇట్స్ ఏ పబ్లిక్ ప్రైవేట్ పార్ట్నర్షిప్ ఎస్కో బిజినెస్ అంటే, ఎస్కో ప్రాజెక్ట్ అంటే. మీరు ఎస్కో కంపెనీని పార్ట్నర్గా చూసి వాళ్ళతో కలిసి పనిచేస్తేనే ఎస్కో సక్సెస్ అవుతుంది. మార్నింగ్ ప్రద్యుమ్న గారు చెప్పారు, కమిషనర్ గారు చెప్పారు, విజయవాడ కమిషనర్ గారు, ఎస్కో సక్సెస్ అయితేనే మనం సక్సెస్ అవుతాం. సో మీ మున్సిపాలిటీ సక్సెస్ఫుల్ యూజింగ్ ఫర్ ది డెవలప్మెంటల్ వర్క్ అండ్ సేవింగ్ ఎనర్జీ is also a developmental work and it's like infrastructure building, and I would think that government also should put some investment into these ESCO projects. Actually ఇందాక అమిత్ గారు కూడా చెప్పారు.